Hi everyone! Kidsoft has a fresh new look, designed to make your day easier. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated design and highlight some of the improvements you'll notice as you use the platform. You can see that our notifications are displayed exactly the same, including all the hyperlinks, allowing you to click straight to that screen. Our multi-tab is still visible, our news posts, and our universal search. The first thing you'll see is a cleaner, brighter interface that makes information easier to read and navigate. We've refreshed the design to reduce clutter and make each screen easier to work with throughout your day. As we move through the platform, you'll notice simplified layouts and clearer navigation, making it quicker to find what you need. Importantly, everything you already know and rely on in Kidsoft is still here. The same features, the same workflows, and the same reliable performance. The difference is that the system now feels more modern, easier to read, and more intuitive to use. These updates are designed to help you move through your tasks more efficiently, whether you're managing enrollments, reviewing payments on the payments report. So while Kidsoft may look new, it works in the same familiar way that it always has, meaning there's nothing new to learn, it's just a better experience. This step is the first step in the series of improvements as we continue investing in Kidsoft and enhancing the experience for our customers. We're excited for you to log in and explore this fresh new look. And as always, if you have any questions or any feedback, our customer success team are always here to help. Thanks for being a part of our Kidsoft community.